Did you know that a starfish can fit into a blender as big as it is? Yet no one can fit into a blender as big as them? Welcome back to Randomly Spectacular, where we talk about random facts in a spectacular manner. Today, we're talking about starfish. Did you know that if a starfish loses a part of its arm, it can actually regrow it? Well, it depends on what part of its arm it loses. If it's just the tip of its arm, then yeah, it can regrow it. However, if it loses a big chunk of its arm, or an entire arm, then it cannot regrow it. But don't worry, it doesn't feel any pain when this happens. Starfish don't have any nerves. Did you also know that starfish are not actually fish? They're actually echinoderms, which means they're more closely related to sand dollars and sea urchins than they are to fish. The reason why they're called starfish is because they kinda look like stars, which I can kind of see. I don't know, what do you think? Do they look like stars? Let me know in the comments below. Now, starfish come in all different shapes and sizes. The biggest one that I could find was called the sun star. It has 40 arms, and it can be 40 inches wide. That's 102 centimeters for my fellow metric friends. Now, the smallest starfish ever found was only 6 millimeters across, which is smaller than the tip of my finger. And there are over 2,000 species of starfish out there, so who knows how many more shapes and sizes there are out there? I also found out that starfish have no brain. Instead, they have a nerve net that allows them to detect things like light, gravity, and chemicals. It also helps them to coordinate their movements. But it's not very good at it. Have you ever seen a starfish move? They kinda just shuffle along. Lastly, did you know that starfish can't swim? They're actually benthic, which means they live on the ocean floor. They get around by using their tube feet, which are located on the underside of their arms. They use them to basically suck themselves along the ocean floor. Well, those are some spectacular facts about starfish. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to hit the notification icon, so you never miss an episode. Until next time, stay safe, stay awesome, and I will see you soon. Bye.